Hey everyone, and welcome to Interactive CAD and Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create illustrations and diagrams in ChatGPT that you can use in everyday life. So what I've thought for this video is I'd show you an actual example. So I've got a friend who's got a wood shop, and I want him to make me a box to store some garden tools in my shed because it's quite a tight fit. So all I'm going to do now is give it the dimensions. So draw me a box for storing garden tools, because that's what I want it for, and give it some sizes. So 500 millimeters by, I'll put space, 500 millimeters by 400 millimeters. So now it's actually generating the image. And now, while it's generating it, you can actually elaborate on it. So let's just do the first one. So that's sort of what I'm after. And so but then I'm going to actually I don't want the handle on it. So now I have this diagram with dimensions on it, and it's an actual great graphic that I could send to my friend to make me this box. I don't want the handle on it, so I'm going to change it, and I'm going to put, could you remove the handle? So now as it generates it again, it's going to use this image that it's made as a guide, and I've asked it if it could remove the handle. So let's see if it does. And it's actually removed the handle by putting a box on, putting a lid on it, and putting without handles in the diagram. So it's not understood what I said there. So let's try actually. So I'm editing my response to this. So I'm going to, by just pressing the pencil tab. So what I'm going to try and do now is put, could you make the top completely open? And send it again. And see, so now I've edited my response to this, and now it's making another revision of the answer. I can go back and look at my old answer. So that's pretty much perfect for what I'm after, but I just want no lid. So same again. Can I have the same, but with no lid? So even I could still send that to my friend and ask him not to make the lid. That'd be perfect. And that's perfect. That's exactly what I'm after. It's something you can put your garden tools in and lift up, and it's a nice little illustration for someone to use. So that's how I'd go about doing little simple illustrations in ChatGPT. You can do more. You can also do it with furniture and things like that. So draw me a wardrobe with 800 millimeters by let's do it a meter, and our deep, and we'll do it 800 deep as well. So now I'm doing something a bit more complex than a box, and it's going to create me a diagram that you could send to a supplier. So what you could actually do is, I've got a generic wardrobe now, and it's put my dims on, which is perfect. But now I'm going to put, could you change the front door to a mirror? So now hopefully it'll change it so the wardrobe size has got, so the wardrobe with the dimensions you requested, and let me know if you need any further adjustments. So it has sort of done it. It's just basically done it see-through with the mirror on the front door, but it's not put a reflection on it, which is fine. So that's would be exactly what I'm after. But you could even say change the oops, up if I could type, change the wood style. So darker wood. So then it's giving me a mirrored front, but obviously it doesn't like doing reflections in the diagram, which is fine. And then it's made the same size with darker wood. So you can actually use ChatGPT for it does a very complex picture, but it's a very simple diagram. But you can actually do draw me a floor plan of an average size house in the UK. Oops, I'll put it type. Bottom floor. So now it's going to actually draw me a floor plan. So I've got the premium version of ChatGPT. I know I said it at the start of the video. But I do have a limit on how many. So now it's giving me a very. So now you could actually just type in and swap stuff about and say, can I move the dining area to the, and so on. So it is a very powerful tool. And I hope you found this little video helpful. If you want, you could comment below and show me any diagrams you've made on ChatGPT. I'm sure you can do a lot better than me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want any more AI tips, and thanks for watching.